Good morning, students. Welcome back to class. In this class, we are going to discuss about chapter 16, which is the mensuration first part, and our topic is area. Okay, so the first is what is area? The question should be occurred in your mind. What is area? So we can say that area, the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. Just see here I have shown you the four figures: triangle, circle, square, and rectangle. So the surface which cover the area by this all the figure is known as its area. Now, before that, just let us know about open figure and closed figure. A shape or a figure that begins and ends at two different points is called open figure. If you see your example, you can see that suppose this figure start from here, but it not coming to here, its end is here. So it's an open figure. Here also, it start from here and its end point is somewhere else. So it's a open figure. Now, closed figure. A shape or a figure that begins and ends at the same point is called a closed figure. If you think here, suppose it starts from here and after moving from this side to this side, it again comes to an end here. So it's a closed figure. Here also, it's moved from here and after that, it's moved from here to here to here, and it's also a closed figure. So a figure which starts from one point and end at that point only is known as closed figure. Now, I am telling just to identify which is closed or open figure. I'm giving you some figure here. I'm showing you 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now tell me first this figure. This is open or closed? Very good. It's a closed figure. Now the second one. Yeah, it's a open. Very good. Third one, open. And the last one, very good. It's a closed figure. I hope you have understand about open and closed figure. Now, we will learn about area of rectangle, area of a square, formula. Now, the formula for area of rectangle is length into breadth, and area of square is side into side. Now, let us see how. Area of rectangle. Let's perform an activity. What you're going to do? We are going to take a rectangle of length 6 centimeter and width 3 centimeter. Okay. Now we are going to draw a vertical line and horizontal line on the both sides at a distance of 1 centimeter apart. Okay. Now see, I have taken one. Here it's a horizontal line. Okay. Which is 6 centimeter. Okay. Now a vertical line which is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay. Now after that, what we are going to do? Now we are going to divide it into 1 centimeter wide. Divide the rectangle into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter part. How? Like this. See, this is your rectangle 6 centimeter. Now I'm going to divide 1 centimeter. Okay, 3. Now here also. Okay, now again. See, we have divided the rectangle into 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and 1 centimeter. Okay, now this was the horizontal divide. Now I'm going to divide it according to vertical also. See here. If you count, you will see here the 1, 2, 3. 3 boxes are there here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Similarly, here also you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here 1, 2, and 3. Now, in a figure above, each small square is 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Now you count that 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter small square. Let us count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So how much it is coming? 18. Yeah. So number of square is 18. Now area of 1 square is 1 square centimeter. So 18 square area will be 18 square centimeter. Now conclusion is that what we can say, the larger the rectangle, the more will be the number of 1 square centimeter square. So we can say that the area of rectangle whose length is 6 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter is 18 square centimeter. Okay, here the length was 6 and the breadth was 3 centimeter. Or you can write 3 into 6 or 6 into 3. It means same. I hope you have understand how the area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Now we will see the formula of area of square. Okay. Here also for finding the area of square, let's perform an activity. The area of square formula is side into side. A square is a special kind of rectangle whose whole sides are equal. That is, the length and breadth of a square are equal. Now I have taken one square and I'm dividing it into 4 equal parts. Why? Because its length and its breadth is 4 and 4 centimeter. Okay, see here. So I'm dividing in both the part, in horizontal or in vertical. It remains the same because here the length and breadth are 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter only. Okay. Length and breadth 4 and 4. So if you count this 1 square centimeter, you know 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. And if you count this box, how much it's coming? Come on, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how much is coming? It is coming 16. So area of the square is the number of units square. And how much it is? 16. So we can say that area of 1 unit square is 1 square centimeter and area of 16 unit square will be 16 square centimeter. So area of square is equal to 16 square centimeter. By this formula, we can say that the area represent is 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter. Okay, so by this formula, you have understand that area of square formula is side into side and area of rectangle length into breadth. Now, let us see some example. A rectangle is 7 centimeter long and 3 centimeter wide. We have to find its area. You can find in two methods. Either you draw the box, divide into 1 square, or you just write the formula. We know that the length of rectangle is 7 centimeter, breadth of rectangle is 3 centimeter. And we know area of rectangle is length into breadth. I have told you in the above activity. So 7 into 3, which is equal to 21 centimeter square or 21 square centimeter. Now let us see an example of square. We have to find the area of square whose side is 8 centimeter long. Now area of square, side into side. It's 8 centimeter into 8 centimeter. Now 8 into 8, 64 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. So we can say that 64 square centimeter. So by the above formula, we can calculate the area of rectangle and area of square. So we have learned today in this class, the area of an object is the space covered by it on a plane surface. The area of rectangle, length into breadth, and area of square, side into side, which is equal to side square. The unit of area is square unit. Okay, I hope you have understand about it. Okay, thank you.